Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background of your image over the Canva, right? And I will give you one more idea how you can remove it easily without having a subscription. So you can just go to the any of the whatever your image you want to create it. For example, let's say I just want to create a YouTube thumbnail here, right? And I will, let's say this one, and I will take an image from here. Let's say eyes cream, right? And I will just search it over my browser. I will just go to the image section here, right? And I will select this image, right? No need to download. You can just drag it and upload it over your Canva, right? And for example, let me just delete it everything here for now, right? And I will just bring this image over my panel, right? And I want to remove this image. Then how I can do it? So basically guys, it's very easy. Just click on edit photo, right? And here you will get this option to BG remover. So basically it will remove the background, but you can see in a very small icon it is showing the king icon, right? Basically it says that you need a subscription to remove the background, right? So if I click here, it will say that instantly removing image background, you need to upgrade. So when I click on the upgrade, it will ask that you have to pay money. Yeah, of course you have to pay real money to remove the image, right? So you have to buy the subscription of Canva. But no worries guys, if you don't want to spend your money, I will give you another solution. Just go to this website which is called remove.pg, right? Once you are here, right, you can just drag your image into here and it will remove your image automatically, and basically it will only remove your JPG and PNG images, right? So let's say I will just bring here a JPG image, right? And I just want to remove it, right? So I will just drag it and put it here. Now within a few seconds, it will just remove the background of the image, right? So it's worked perfectly fine. I will just download it, and in this way, I can just use this image and create my art, right? You can see guys, it's very easy. I will just delete this, and you can see this is how you can just remove the background image even if you no have money or if you don't want to buy the subscription. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really interesting. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.